I love making ornaments like these, and they're a big hit with friends and family. PYD sent me 2 styles of sublimation ornaments that they make to test out. The first style they sent me is a glossy white ceramic measuring 2 7/8 inches in diameter. Each ornament is carefully wrapped in bubble wrap to keep it safe during shipping, and they also include gold thread for hanging the finished product. The second style is a glass ornament shipped in styrofoam bags for extra protection. This style features a beveled edge on the front while the back is completely flat. That's the side you actually sublimate on. These glass ornaments measure 3 inches in diameter, and because they are glass, their designs will shine nicely on a Christmas tree with the lights flickering through them. They also include red ribbon for hanging the ornament on your tree. I printed a few designs on my sublimation printer and used heat-resistant tape to secure the designs to each of the ornaments. The ceramic ones have the designs on both sides and the glass ones just on the flat back. I then pressed them at 400 degrees for 60 seconds with a pressure setting of 170 pounds, making sure the sublimation paper was face up, touching the heat platen when pressed. I do love how these turned out and how easy they were to make. If you're looking to decorate your tree with items you've made or just give a quick gift to someone for the holidays, definitely check out PYD Ornaments.